Hi guys, I'm Chef Pooja Dhingra. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're making chocolate chip cookies and it's an eggless recipe. So I've been making this recipe since I was 13, so that's 20 years. Give you my secret. But all jokes aside, I have made cookies with eggs, without eggs, every kind of cookie, every style of cookie. But this one is, I think, my favorite. I love it the most. It's the most delicious. It's really easy to put together. You can make it and store it. And yeah, I just think that it brings me a lot of happiness and joy. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe.
Okay, let's make these cookies. To make these cookies, you're going to need, first up, we're going to mix our butter with both our sugars and vanilla. We're going to whisk this till it's nice, soft and fluffy. The minute this is done, I'm going to add my flour in, all of it. It's been sifted before, and just mix this in very gently. Now this is the only recipe where I don't add my baking soda with my flour, but what I'm going to do instead is add hot water into my baking soda and pour it into the batter. Once I mix it in, you'll see it coming together like a dough. This is what it looks like. If you want, I'm going to add dark chocolate chips. You can add milk chocolate, white chocolate, raisins, cranberries, anything, and just fold it in. Now, ideally, you'd rest this dough overnight, but who am I kidding? I'm impatient. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shape them into these round balls and I'm going to put them in my freezer for half an hour and then directly into the oven for about 12 minutes at 165 degrees. And we're done. These cookies are great. They taste the best when they're just out of the oven. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.